right, go ahead. Tell me about it.
Blood disease caused by flies and by horse flies, bites of cows, and transmits the disease into the bloodstream, and then when it gets into the bloodstream, it goes into the brain and then kind of goes nuts and will kill them.
Huh. You said it's called anaplasm?
Anaplasmosis.
Anaplasmosis.
Hot, dry weather, flies.
Gotcha.
That's what it is.
Huh. So we're with Don Lester, checking out his cows. What are you looking for when you look at them?
Line bring them to plate. Look at my head back there.
Are you sharp looking?
Anything out to themselves away from the rest of the cow, they'll separate themselves. Stand back. Everything looks great here. Out here.
Yeah, I saw those. John said y'all installed those water troughs.
They're coming out of that pond. They don't get in there being wet in that pond. That causes a viral infection inside the pond.
Yeah.
They can't get in there, the water stays clean.
Okay, I got you.
It comes out right there.
Huh.
I've got all my ponds that way. I like 2 ball water having water never seal out of a pond or out of county water.
Okay, I got you.
Water is the main source of your cattle operation. It's more important than grass. Because if you ain't got water, they can't digest it. They got to have 1,000,000 gallons of water in it. That pond there can have all water behind it.
So that was a short video showing you how if you just hang out with people who has been there, done that, and you can basically learn from their mistakes, it can save you a lot of money in the long run. He had a lot of useful information. So I've got, I got 2 cows myself, and so I was just curious about, how to treat certain things, and he brought up that anaplasmosis. Of course, it comes from horse flies, and when they bite the cow, it gets in the bloodstream, then it goes into the brain, causing encephalitis, makes them crazy. It's really dangerous, especially if you approach them when their brain's anoxic. So he's going to have somebody come out there and inoculate them with some antibiotics and stuff like that, try to get ahead of the game. And it's going to be a Todd County Animal Clinic. I'll see if I can get some video footage of them darting them and treating them. Thanks for watching. I'll see y'all next time.